Hello, my name is Gayatri Sanjay Khernar, and today's topic is Java versions and changes in Java versions, and date is 20 December 21. So let's start with our today's topic. First we see what is an Java and their versions. Uh, what is an Java? Java is a programming language and a platform. Java is a high-level, object-oriented and secure programming language. Java developed by Sun Microsystems, which is in the year 1995. James Gosling is the father of Java, um, a platform of Java language. Any hardware or software environment in which programmers is known as a platform. Since Java has a runtime environment and API, it's called as a platform. Applications of Java, according to the Sun, Java 3 billions of many means many devices run Java. There are many devices where Java currently used. They are desktop application, web application, enterprise application, mobile, embedded system and smart card, robotics and games. There are different types of Java application. The main four types are standalone application, web application, enterprise application and mobile application. There are different versions of Java. There are 12 versions in Java. 12 versions of Java. That is, first one is JDK Alpha and Beta, which is invented in 1995. Java Alpha and Beta was the first released by Alpha and Beta are first release, but they have highly unstable API. Next one is JDK 1.0. They invented in January 23, 1996. It was the first stable release version of Java. Its code name is Oak. The first stable version of JDK was JDK 1.02 and called as Java 1. JDK 1.0.1 private and protected keyword could be used together to create another form of protection, which is used to act as a restriction. Next is JDK 1.1, which was invented in February 1997. There include some addition included to that versions are concept of inner class, Java Beans, JDBC, reflection means which supported modification was not possible at runtime, JIT just-in-time compiler on Microsoft Windows platform produced by Javasoft Next one is the J2SE 1.2, which is invented in December 8, 1998. Its code name was Playground. First time is called as the J2SE Java 2 Platform Standard Edition. It replaced JDK to recognize the base platform from J2EE Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition, and next one is J2ME Java 2 Micro Edition. It was very important Java release as is tripled the size of Java platform. Some addition were include that version. They are Java plugin, Java Ideal, implement collection framework, and graphical API was integrated into core classes. Next is J2SE 1.3, which is invented in May 8, 2000. Its code name was Kestrel. Some addition included in version that are hotspot of JVM included, Java naming and directory interface, Java platform debugger and architecture, Java sound. Next one is J2SE 1.4, which is invented in February 6, 2002. Its code name is Merlin. It was for Java platform which was released under Java community process. Some addition included the version are improved libraries, provided exception chaining, login API, XML parser and XLT processor integrated, security and cryptography extension. Next is J2SE 5.0, which is invented in September 30, 2004. Its code name is Tiger. It was number 1.5, which use an internal version number. Support and security update are included in that. Some features of that are it provide compile time safety for collection and eliminate need for most typecasts, use metadata or annotation, adboxing, unboxing, enumeration, enhance for each loop. There are some improved standard libraries. They are automatic stub generation for RMI object, the scanner class for parsing data for various input stream and buffer. Java 5 was the latest release of Java, which officially supportable to Microsoft Windows 9X. Next version is Java SE6, which is invented in December 11, 2006. Its code name is Mustard. Release of this version, Java replaced the name J2SE to Java SE and dropped the name 0.0 from version number. Some features included in that are drop the support for older Windows 9X version, scripting language support, improve web service support, use Java compiler API to invoke Java compiler programmatically. Next is Java SE7, which is invented in July 28, 2011. Its code name was Dolphin. Its some features included in that are JVM support the dynamic language, compressed 64 bits pointer, string added in switch, binary integer letters. It was the default version too. It was default version. Next is Java SE8, which was invented in March 18, 2004. Its code name is Spider. Code name have been discontinued, but the code name Spider is common among Java developers. Some features of that are language level support for Lambda expression, allow desktops to embed JavaScript code within application, annotation of Java type, provide data and time API. Next is Java 9, which is invented in September 21, 2017. It will include better support for multi-gigabytes. It has some features that are modularization of JDK project, provide money and currency API, more concurrency updates, provide Java linker. Next is Java SE10, which was invented in March 20, 2018. Java SE10 was released to remove primitive data types and move towards 64-bit addressable array to support large data. Some of features are local variable types interface, time-based release version, parallel full GC for G1, garbage collector, which has root certificate, thread local handshakes, and that's all about the today's topic. Features versions of Java. Thank you.